Hello and welcome to this video. Over our stove, there's a thing that's supposed to like catch the smoke, and it has a light under there, and the light has this cover which I have here. Let me show you a better view of it. Okay. So this is the cover, the old cover, and because of the grease that comes up because of frying and things, I think this is intended to protect the light bulb, which is a good idea. But this has corroded. I mean, this is super old. I don't know. It was there when we got the house. And we've been here for 4 years, I think. Anyway, I want to make a new version of this to cover the light bulb. So I'm going to use this piece of plastic that I've cut out of a jug that looks like this, and so I'm just going to make it be kind of a U shape. And the original had more of a boxed shape. What I mean by that is the ends were closed in. So you can see there the ends. It's more of like a box. But I think it'll be quite difficult to try to get to form plastic into that without like a mold. I don't know how I would do that. But I think that with a little bit of heat, I'll be able to mold this into the proper shape. So let's see if it works. First, I'm going to lay out where these tabs are supposed to be with a pencil on this plastic. It doesn't show up very strongly, but excuse me. It doesn't show up very strongly, but it shows up enough that I can see it. I'm also going to extend it beyond, make it larger than the original. Okay, you can kind of see it there. I have it roughly laid out. I'll cut along here, and then we'll get to the bending. So at this point, it fits at least, and I was realizing as I was making it that the heat of the light bulb might cause that plastic to soften and deform. So I'll have to just find that out through trying it. But I've tried to give it as much space away from the light bulb as possible. But I don't know. I think it'll work. I hope it works. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye!